Okay, I had a question from one of our members about sharing big video files. If you're recording a video of one of your lessons on an iPhone or some kind of device, the file size is probably going to be massive, particularly for a 30 or 40-minute lesson, and too big to share in pretty much any way. And it will take too long to upload. So what I would recommend doing is heading to downloading the YouTube app on your phone. So have a look at the top right there, YouTube app, opening that up. And what we're going to do, if you have a look along the top, there's a camera icon. So if you click on that, you can actually record a video directly to YouTube from your phone. So I'm going to click now down the bottom, video, and this opens up a video channel, and you can see this is me recording this video now. So I'm going to hit record at the top. And so now let's say I'm pointing it at my piano. Can hit the record button. So let's say this is in so maybe it might be an overhead shot, or maybe it's just you teaching the lesson from the side. So you could leave this running for 40 minutes, an hour, however long your lesson length is. Hit stop when you're ready. Can hit the record button. So let's say this is so maybe it's, and you can do quick edits and things like that if you need to just trim the start and the finish. Head to next. And as long as you're logged in to your channel, you'll be able to upload it directly. The great thing is that in the privacy settings there, you can set how you would like to see it. So if it's a public video or if it's unlisted, and you can just send your student a link to it, you can do that. So just give it a description. Hi there, piano lesson attached, or whatever it is. I'm going to leave this unlisted for now. You can change the title here. So maybe Jake's lesson, however you want to do it. And I'm not going to worry about location. So I'm going to go upload button in the top right. And you can see that this is now processing. So once that's done, you can just send your student the link to that file, and they'll be able to access it. You haven't had to upload anything. You haven't had to worry about big file sizes. It may take a little bit of time to upload to YouTube from your phone, but otherwise you're all set. Hey, just before you go, make sure you click here to subscribe, and we've got thousands of other videos all on the topic of music education and teaching. So make sure you check out some of those other ones here, and I'll see you in the next video.